Are you thinking about buying property in Greece? Are you feeling like it's all Greek to you maybe? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. The payoff is totally worth it, trust me. In the end, it's not just a transaction, it's a lifestyle change. So follow these 10 steps and everything will run smoother and faster than you imagined. If you're just steps away already from making your Greek dream a reality, please also subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting plenty of helpful videos to guide you through that process. Step number 1, do your homework. Before you even look at a single property, you've got to understand how the Greek market works. A little research now will save you a ton of headaches later, to be honest. Here's what you need to know. Location. Where in Greece do you want to be? City vibes, island retreat, the choice is yours. We do video calls with clients who often live abroad to give them an inside scoop on different areas of Greece that could be a fit. But you can also dig into YouTube, blogs, and articles yourself to start getting a feel for different areas. Also, think about your budget. Check your finances. What's your available budget right now? Maybe you still need to sell your house first before you look for a new one. If that's the case, it might be a bit early to start actively hunting for properties. But it's always good to have an idea of your budget because it's like the foundation of a good house. The rest of the process depends on that. Also, understand the market. Prices vary for properties across Greece, so do your homework and check out current trends. And there's experts. Consult them. Greek property laws are tricky, they're changing. Having professionals like lawyers, specifically from Greece, and property consultants on your team are a must. Think of them as your Greek property bouncers. They keep the bad stuff out. Remember, the process isn't just about finding a pretty property. It's about making an informed decision that's going to pay off. So please, do your homework first, and you're already ahead of most buyers. That brings us to step 2, searching for properties. It's time now to get down to business and to find the right property. You've got 2 main options. On one hand, you could go to a real estate agent. A good agent knows the market inside and out. They'll help you find hidden gems, and they'll give you expert advice. But choose wisely. If you're looking for an apartment in downtown Athens, for example, our company, for instance, would not be your right fit. But if it's a second home or a holiday retreat you're after, we have an extensive portfolio of properties. Know the type of property that you're after, and then find the right agent for that job. Let's be honest, you wouldn't have a sushi chef make pizza for you, right? Obvious. You can also search on online platforms, places like Spitogatos that have English options. But here's the catch. Anyone can list a property there, so you've got to be careful. With a solid real estate agent, you get properties that are verified and checked for their legal and market value. If you have more questions on different types of properties you can find in Greece, please feel free to reach out. We have more than 30 years of experience in the Greek real estate market. Now we move to step 3, going on a viewing trip. Do not trust everything you see in the photos. Get on the ground. If you can't get to Greece right away, ask for a virtual tour. But trust me, there's nothing like being there in person. Here's what you should look out for. Check the condition of the property. Does it need work? The neighborhood. Is it peaceful? Are shops and healthcare close by? You don't want to end up on an island that's so remote that your nearest neighbor is a goat. Or maybe that's exactly what you're looking for. Also check the vibe. Walk around, sit down for a while. Does it feel like home? We believe a house is like a soulmate. Either it clicks or it doesn't. Step 4, agree on a price. This is where the deal starts to get real. Here's how it works in Greece. Sellers often ask for more than they'll accept. Buyers typically start low. You'll negotiate and you'll get to a price that works for both sides. A solid agent is your secret weapon here. They'll make sure you're not overpaying and help move the negotiations along. Remember, negotiation in Greece is not a war. It's more like a friendly tennis match. And once the price is settled, you're ready for the next steps, the legal steps. We'll start at step 5 of the process, legal due diligence. Do not skip this step. This is where the serious work happens. A wise man once said that the legal fundament of your home is much more important than its concrete foundations. And he wasn't wrong. Make sure the property is legally clear. A good lawyer, for example, will verify ownership, who really owns the property. They'll check for legal debts or issues. You don't want any surprises here. Confirm permits and paperwork. They'll also do that for you, and they'll make sure everything is in order. Skipping this could cost you big in the future, so don't cut corners. Next, step 6, signing a preliminary purchase agreement. What is that? This is called a PPA, and it outlines the agreed price, payment terms, and deadlines and conditions, like if the furniture will stay. When you sign this document, the PPA, you'll be asked to pay a deposit. That will then remove the property from the market. But remember, the deal is not done yet. The official purchase happens later. Next is step 7, signing a power of attorney, also called a POA. If you're not in Greece for the deal, you'll need to sign a power of attorney. This allows your lawyer to act on your behalf before, during, and after the property transfer, keeping the process moving while you're miles away. It saves you a few trips to Greece just to put a simple signature on a piece of paper. Step 8 is to get a Greek tax number, also known as an affimi. To buy property in Greece, you need one of these Greek tax numbers. It's very easy to get. Your lawyer will help you, and you'll need a valid ID. You'll need to fill out an application or have your lawyer do it for you. And if you're not a Greek resident, you'll also need a tax representative. At our company, for example, we have an in-house legal team that takes care of these processes. It's one less thing to worry about. Now, the exciting part, step 9, signing the purchase deed with a notary. Here's the big moment. The official signing happens with a notary public in Greece. Before you sign, you'll pay the transfer tax, and once that's done, you'll sign the final purchase deed. That's it, congratulations. You're now the proud owner of a property in Greece. There's one more step though, important one. Step 10, completing the payment. To complete the payment in Greece, there's no escrow. You'll pay the seller directly from your bank account to theirs. Once the money is transferred and the deed is filed with the Greek cadastre, you're officially done. Boom, you own a home in Greece. It's time to start practicing your kalimera. That means good morning. If you want more details, check out the link in the description for our full guide. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more insider tips about buying property in Greece. Thanks for watching and see you next time.